Hairbar in New York City. I'm getting the Silktouch Keratin Treatment. I'm with my girl here, Christina. Hi. I'm very scared of getting this keratin treatment. I'm not trying to get my hair burned, but I heard very good reviews about Christina. What's the first thing you did? You washed it?
Yep, I shampooed her hair. I put a little bit of product.
So we put a purple shampoo as well?
Yes. So that it doesn't discolor.
So what are we doing right now? We're just drying it?
We're drying it and then we're going to apply the Silktouch Keratin Treatment. And it's going to be nice and smooth. And we're not going to put the flat iron too high because we don't want to fry your ends.
Important, if you have very thin and fragile hair, you don't want to have the flat iron at full temperature at 450. You want to have it maybe like what?
It goes to 450, so we'll do like 423.
And the difference now with this Silktouch is that I can actually wash it off in 24 hours or less.
You could, yeah, you can wash it off right away. Once I flat iron it, it's set.
And what is the difference with this one that's formaldehyde free?
Yeah, it's formaldehyde free, it's organic. This one keeps like a little bit of volume while it still keeps your hair really straight, smooth, and frizz free. But the other one is known to leave your hair a little flat for a little while.
Okay, so like no volume.
But you don't really want that because your hair is pretty fine.
Right,
so you want some volume, right?
Yes,
okay.
definitely.
Now I'm going to get the Silktouch and I'll be right back.
Sure. I'm looking a little crazy right now, but as you saw, she's going to go ahead and get the keratin treatment. And yeah, I'm excited to do this process because I do flat iron my hair every single day. So if I can actually cut down on the flat iron, that's going to be great overall health of my hair.
I'm going to apply the product in her hair. She's going to sit under the dryer. I do 2 ponytails. I have the back like this, and then I'll just section it going up. Someone who's really against formaldehyde would recommend to go organic. But a lot of the times when the hair is really coarse and thick, I do go for the one with formaldehyde. And it's chemicals.
It would work better.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. People say that the smell is like really strong, but they have the door open, so it makes it nice and comfortable.
Yeah, plus we have ventilation. So.
That's why I picked this location as well, because they said the ventilation is better than some of the other areas of hairbar.
Yeah.
So that's very important.
You did your homework. You went and checked the
I
reviews,
did,
right?
I'm not trying to burn my hair.
And then she requested more.
Yes, I did.
Right?
Definitely. I'll leave all her information down in the description if you guys want to come to your girl, Christina.
Hairbar NYC, hashtag 3rd Avenue, Keratin Treatment. Who wants frizzy hair? Nobody. So we're located right at the Murray Hill location, 3rd Avenue and East 30th Street. It's between 30th and 31st.
30th and 31st.
So call us to book an appointment, 212-213-4421.
I'm going to show you guys really quick just the chart they have so you can see the prices.
So the left side is the Brazilian. That's the 24 karat and the gel keratin. So shoulder length hair would be the 109, the 139 in the middle, and the 130 and the 159.99 all the way at the bottom with really long hair. And then the right side is the Silktouch formaldehyde free. As you can see, that one is starting at 150 because it's organic.
And how long would you say this process usually takes? About what?
About 2 hours.
You don't want them to rush, you want them to do a good job, so just make sure when you have your appointment, you have enough time.
Make sure you have like a free day. Yeah, if your hair gets wet, well, this is the Silktouch, the formaldehyde free one, so once I flat iron it and set, she can go home and wash it right away, like right now. So if it does get wet in the rain, she can flat iron it when she gets home, wash it, and blow dry it. But this one still needs that last step with the heat once you wash it.
Guys, so the next time I wash my hair, I have to blow dry it and iron it. Even if I don't usually do that every day, for your first wash at home, you must blow dry it and straighten it for the first time so it can set properly.
How's your scalp feeling, okay?
Yeah, it's okay. I heard some people might feel like tingly or itchy.
Yeah, sometimes the product might feel a little tingly, like,
Okay.
you know, a little burning sensation, which is normal
Yeah.
because it's keratin treatment. But if it's something that you can't bear and it's burning you so much, we suggest the client to tell us right away. We rinse the keratin treatment out and we no longer proceed with the treatment. And sometimes the client comes like, oh, I have really sensitive skin. So what we do is we don't directly apply it on the root just so that it doesn't get on your scalp. But once we comb it, it like automatically goes on your scalp. But if you directly put it on your scalp,
Yes.
then it's more severe than just combing it. First client I've ever had that wanted to do a vlog with me. My name's Christina, guys, by the way. 212-213-4421. We do give it a quick rinse after this sits for 15 minutes. I give it a quick rinse. I don't rinse like all the product out, but I do give it a quick rinse. I'm gonna let you sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna get a shower cap and she's gonna definitely sit under the dryer. She's an astronaut.
Okay, guys. So we just took the heat off my hair. We're just letting it cool off, and then she's gonna go ahead and rinse it out really quick, and then we're gonna start the process. Okay, I just wanted to update you guys really quick. I am feeling like a little tingly or just a sensation in my scalp, but not too much. But we're about to wash it off anyway.
We're just gonna rinse it quickly. We're not gonna rinse the product fully out of your hair.
So that's
Yeah,
the
that's very
serum.
normal.
That's the serum for the ends,
Yeah.
right?
To keep it like smooth while I'm drying it.
Now, does that go on every client or because my hair is
Every
really
client for this treatment, we use product. This one is organic and this one has amino acids, and that's what actually straightens the hair a lot.
Does it leave your hair shiny as well?
Yes. It has like that rough texture, so that's the product that's still in her hair. When I flat iron it, it's all smooth and shiny.
So it's tempting for people like to want to put it like behind the ear just because they don't want it around their face because they will stay with that
It would make like a crease.
Yes.
Like if you put it, we don't want you to put like sunglasses, a hat on, or anything like that. So I don't want you to go to the gym and work out.
no
I want you,
sweating.
no sweating. Sweating strips keratin. Important tip. If you're going on vacation, there's a rule for swimming. You will wet your hair in the shower and put a bunch of conditioner in it, and you can go swimming. And when you get out of the beach or the pool, you just rinse the conditioner out and the keratin is safe. But salt water, ocean water, chlorine strips keratin.
Okay guys, so this is the hair just like blow dry. You definitely feel the product in your hair, and you see my hair is very like limp right now, but I'll definitely show you how it looks after we actually straighten it.
A lot of people think that. They're like, is it damaging? I'm like, no, keratin is a protein, right? The protein we produce, you know, we produce keratin on our hair, nails, and skin. So we enhance the hair by adding keratin to your hair. So you don't want to wash your hair tonight?
If you think I should,
I would.
just so I don't sleep with that on my face.
So that you won't worry about sweating when you sleep. You just get it over with. Once I flat iron it, it's set. So you can wash it right away. Within 24 hours, so. Be careful with using hairspray, gel, because a lot of that has alcohol. Alcohol definitely strips keratin. You want to be reading your products.
Is it important that shampoo and conditioner is only sulfate free, or should it also have keratin, or it doesn't matter as long as it's just
It doesn't matter if it has keratin in it or not, as long as it's sulfate free and it's free of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, you hear the word sodium, that's salt. So after a few washes, you'll start to see like the keratin slowly disappearing. So you want to make sure it's free of sulfate.
So you want to get your money's worth and take care of the process as much as you can.
This lasts for up to 6 months. The Silktouch keratin treatment.
Wash my hair every day, most likely it's gonna wash off even sooner.
Yeah. I recommend the client to wash their hair like twice a week the most. If you want to wash your hair all the time, if the keratin's supposed to last 6 months, it'll probably last you like 4 months.
Now the same thing if you want to use like dry shampoos, just make sure they're like sulfate free and stuff.
Yeah, remember dry shampoos have alcohols in them too. They're like hairspray. You have to shampoo your hair all the time. Give it a nice cool rinse with some conditioner. That will like, you know, it's not fully washed, but it will freshen you up for like another. So you still have some volume.
That's very important.
So come and get the keratin treatment. Seriously, it's really worth it. Like I don't have to see her again for another 4 or 5 months.
So the Silktouch is good for all hair types.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Even kinky towards hair. Amazing.
If you're worried about the formaldehyde, definitely try this one. Organic, has amino acids, so I was like, well, I'm gonna vlog this for you guys, but let's see if the place even lets me. And Christina was very nice, you know, to do this for us. So.
And then when you watch it, do your video too.
Oh yeah, I have to show them the after, how it looks after I wash.
In 2 weeks, it's safe for her to color her roots.
But I shouldn't do highlights. I should wait 2 months for that. No bleaching, this color.
Nice and shiny and smooth. Yes, you can actually see the highlights more.
Okay guys, so of course, the day I do my keratin is raining here. But it's okay. Once I get home, I'm just gonna wash this off and blow dry it and iron it. What I love the most is that I can actually wash my hair once I get home because it really does not feel cool. It feels actually nasty. But I know it's gonna look gorgeous, or that's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, I'm in the city as you guys can see. And my phone's getting wet, so I'm not trying to vlog a lot. But yeah, it's around 6. I may be home like around 9 maybe. Take a shower, wash this hair, and show you. Guys, so as you know, I got my keratin treatment done yesterday, my formaldehyde keratin treatment done yesterday, and once I got home, you probably just saw the clip of me that I washed my hair and I had to iron it and straighten it for the last step of the treatment. So now that is the next day, I don't actually have to iron my hair. So I just got out of the shower, and one thing I gotta tell you is the smell is still in my hair. So I'm gonna do what I always do normally, which is put in a leave-in conditioner, because there's no way I could untangle my hair without a leave-in conditioner. So the one I use is this one from It's a 10. So I just sprayed all over. So I usually don't ever like take a brush and like detangle it, because this, like, I just let it dry. Usually like after this step I would just take my blow dryer and dry it and then iron it. Like I said in the video, I iron my hair every day, but for today's video we're not going to do that. We're going to see how it actually dries. So this might take a couple of days, and of course I'm going to come back and show you how it looks, because my hair may look like this, but it was definitely like wavy, not like super tight curls, but it was wavy. Like I can't stand my hair how it would dry. So I'm interested to see if this is really gonna dry like pin straight. I like this formula, this formaldehyde one, because it does not leave my hair like completely without volume. My hair is already without volume. Frizzy, but like limp here, and I don't like that. The other formulas, as you saw, she said would leave you like with no volume. Like I said, if maybe you're sensitive to scents, you will smell this in your hair. But you know what? If my hair is gonna look better, I don't care. It's nothing that I can't bear with. That is just like a day before, not even 24 hours. So maybe that's why I can still smell it. Okay, so it's like 3:40. I guess maybe it might take like 2 hours to completely dry. Who knows? But I'll definitely come back and show you how it dried up. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's like 4:45. My hair, I would say, is like 90% dry, which is pretty quick. It's like, what, an hour? So this is what it looks like. As you see, it's not like pin straight. Maybe it's because of like the way when I came home, I straightened it and ironed it, but I think it's pretty good. As you see, there's like barely any frizz. So like I told you guys, my hair was a little wavy. Well, a bit wavy, so you could still see some of like the waves, but like 90% decreased. So yeah, I'm very happy. I have very limp and like thin hair, so I didn't want like not to be able to have any kind of volume in the roots, which I still have, and I love it. One thing I do want to say, like, just in case you're wondering, like, touching my hair, it doesn't feel like straw-like or anything. And of course, I would regularly put like an oil in my hair. So this is not like, it may seem like still a little like dry, but that's because I'm a blonde. Like, I bleach my hair, dye my hair, it's gonna be dry. So definitely, I think if I would put a serum right now or an oil, it would look much nicer. As you guys saw, I asked Christina so many questions. She was probably so tired by the end of the video, but she was such a good sport and she gave us so much information. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or I could help you in any way, I know I did so much research before I did this process. If you have like processed hair or really bleached, this is the reason I chose the formaldehyde one. And if you have any other questions, please leave them down below. I'll try to answer them the best I can. Again, that was the hair bar in New York City in the 3rd Avenue location. I will leave everything in the description, their phone number, the address, the website if you guys want. Obviously this video is not sponsored. I'm very happy that they let me vlog this experience with you. So this was like basically a keratin treatment tutorial, because it was like from start to finish. You got to see the whole thing. So again, thanks guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.